Hi guys, welcome to iMobi channel. Do you save many important messages on your Android phone and want to make a backup or transfer them to your PC? Check the video to get tips. The first tip, you can choose to transfer SMS from Android to PC by taking screenshot. Open Messages app on your phone and select the conversation you want to transfer. Take a screenshot and save the picture to Photos. Next, connect your phone via USB cable. Go to internal storage of your device. Find DCIM folder and click the screenshot folder. Copy these screenshots to your PC. If you want to transfer SMS from Android to PC in PDF format in one click, please check the second tip. Connect your phone via USB cable. Run iMobi DroidKit on your PC. Go to Data Manager in DroidKit and click Start. Choose Messages. Check all or selected items as you need. Click Export icon. A dialog will pop up, choose PDF and Messages and click Continue. Then, you can click View Files to check them. That's all tips. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe, share and comment.